Hi everybody, Ken Madden from Ciro, and today I would like to show you our brand new TAC-10 Light Cannon driving lights. These are designed to fit the Street Glide like you see here. We also have fitments for the Electra Glide and also even a version for the Road Glide. Super bright lights. Now this one right here, you're seeing the light ring. If you think that's bright, wait till I turn on the light. Now what you're seeing here, I'm about 30 feet from that door, just to give you guys some idea of scale here. So this is with the lights off. We also, in this particular bike, have our Vision X XMC 7-inch LED headlight. This is low beam, so this is right now you just have the, I'm going to turn the overhead lights off so you can see it. So there's your low beam right there. Now when you turn on the high beam, with the light cannons come on with that high beam, you can see this area down along the road. Now this is adjustable, so you can shoot it far down the road. It's a light cannon. It literally shoots light down the road. So this is an excellent way to do it. Let me put a board. I'm going to use this cardboard here, you guys, and I'm going to put this down in front of the LED headlight so you can see just how bright these are. So when I turn the high beam off now, that turns that light off. Now what you're seeing is this glow just from the rings, the light rings, and then there's the light. Now with the high beam on, with the XMC light, you have the ultimate in night lighting and safety. So in addition to all this light, one of the things that's great about our kits is you're going to have all of the mounting brackets you need, as we're showing it here on a Street Glide. They all come in the kit, so everything you need to put it together and hook it up into your high beam. Also, right here, included in the bracket system, we included for the Street Glide models a place to use a tie-down hook. And this is all steel and powder coated, and it's super strong. The lights, of course, have a lifetime warranty, and we partnered up with Vision X for them, and it is about the best light we have found on the market. So to recap, you not only are getting a lifetime warranted LED driving light with a great looking ring, light ring, you also have all the mounting you need. This one here is for the Road Glide style. It has a bar mount that mounts around your engine guard bar. And what we just saw that I showed you on the Street Glide was this kit here. We also have some other options, like if you wanted to run the yellow lenses, like the amber lenses, kind of that Euro look. It's pretty cool. We have that sold separately as a kit. And also what you saw was it was wired up to the high beam switch. So when you turn the high beams on, the lights come on. Another option we have is from Evil Iron Customs. We sell this separately. It's a switch kit that you can put. This switch fits right in your dashboard, and this allows you to switch the lights on and off outside of the headlight switch. Thanks for watching. For more information about the TAC-10 Light Cannons and the rest of our Ciro products, go to ciro3d.com, and appreciate it. Have a great ride.